Okay, today we're gonna learn how to test the Roomba 500 series at the Auto Advance test. All you need to do is press the clean and dock button and push on the spot 3 times. Now it's on Auto Advance self-test. You can see that all the LED at the display is turned on. Also the clean button illuminates. We did this, we advanced in the test by pressing firstly on the clean button after the LED check, and then completing the day, hour, minute, schedule and clock buttons test. And when I finish, I advance to the next phase on the test, which is actually the cliff sensor test. If we elevate, take the robot off the floor from the right side, and the dock is turned on. And when I take left side, the spot turns on. To exit the Auto Advance testing mode, we need to press and hold dock and spot buttons for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. The robot is reset and you can just activate it normally.